In this VNX family disk storage system dashboard, we see several storage systems along the left side or the y-axis. Along the top of the chart, we see the key risk indicators, starting with I/O rate, read and write throughput, response time, forced flushes, average pool disk utilization, average SP utilization, and average port utilization. So looking at the rating, which is located just in the system title, we see a rating of 0.55. The largest bubble in here is the response time, and this is the front-end response time. And basically what we're saying here is we've got a response time issue on this STF011. So what I want to do here is actually drill down to the next level, which will show me the mini charts for this dashboard. And so all of those bubbles that were exposed on the previous chart are now kind of blown up, and we see it at a more detailed level. What we can see if we look at these charts is there's a couple of charts that really stand out quickly, and that's the response time chart and the port utilization chart. So when I had mentioned earlier how much what's the effective capacity or the effective workload capacity, I'm really talking about how much performance throughput can I get on this system. Now, if all else is equal, we should be able to actually get more out of the system. But what I'm seeing from when I look at the throughput is this system can actually handle quite a bit more workload. It's peaking out around 741 megabytes, but it could handle 1500 megs before it's really constrained based on its configuration. However, the workloads are not balanced evenly. And we see that the response time is increasing as a result of that. So looking at this port utilization chart, we're actually seeing that the port utilization on one of these ports is very high during the same time when the response time is high. And we don't really see a corresponding issue on the SPs. The SP utilizations are looking pretty good. They're pretty low and healthy, and they're showing green. They're underneath the effective capacity limits, and the effective capacity limits for the drive busy on the back end are well within the rounds. We do see on EP18 we do have a busy set of pool there, but we have a few flushed IOs for one interval, but really the problem here is on this one port. So real quickly, we can use this dashboard to identify where I'm running out of effective capacity, and by drilling down just one layer, I can see where my limits are here. So that's just a real quick example of how you identify the effective capacity.